What I need to do is just drag it over there. And what? It's so big. It's insane. It's like a building. That's how big this car is. Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take a look at INKAS Armored. This is an augmented reality app for Android that allows you to preview INKAS Armored cars and bulletproof vehicles in augmented reality. Now, INKAS Armored Vehicle Manufacturing is a leading Canadian-based company that specializes in design and production of a wide range of armored vehicles. This also includes SUVs, luxury sedans, special purpose vehicles, personal carriers, cash in transit vehicles, and others. So you can see you can also control using pinch gestures the size, the rotation, and the position of the car itself. Set. Oh, okay. You need to set it. Oh, here you are. Oh, so we can move it. Oh, that's what I wanted. You know, that degree of control. Simple controls. So I can just position it. Armored car. Yeah, it's in front of us. Look at this. And we can rotate it. Whoa. Just a second. I forgot. What? Oops. Oh. Please. Come. So what we're going to do is... rotate. Yeah, just swipe. Oh, we have an armored car. It's a Sage. It's pretty cool. Oh, actual size. This is what I really like. You can press it. Oh, this is the real size. So this is the armored vehicles here in just a small street in Osaka. So let's take a closer look at the details. Now, in terms of visuals, the details were good, but not great. I mean, if you look inside, you can see that it's very much liking, it's quite simple. It looks like kind of a car in a Battlefield video game. And if you look carefully, you can see even the textures aren't that great, other than sharp when you look up close. But when you take a few steps backwards, it's look great. It look okay. Yeah, no problem. But just when you get, that's what I love about this type of apps. When you get close, you can inspect the fine details, and the higher resolution, the better the 3D model. More detailed it is, the more exciting the experience, at least for me. Resize it. It's easier to drag like this. And let's press actual size. Boom. What? It can't be that large. Oh, it's that large. It's insanely large. Oh my god, it's insanely large. We need to rotate you. Alright. Armored vehicle in the alley. It's crazy. And it's huge. Oh my god, look at the wheels. This is actually, it's gonna look like a science fiction car, but it's really big. It's huge. Let's go well with the siren. Attacks, alien attacks. Wow, it's huge. It's absolutely insane. Look at this. Ambulance, it's emergency. The army's outside. Yeah, this is something about me that sometimes when I use these types of apps, I just imagine different things. For you, I just imagine kind of a Battlefield game in mixed reality, and we can hide behind those cars, something like that, something cool. Yeah, park there, please. Park there. Just so you know, and we can just swipe and move it around. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, vroom. Oh, now you're small. I resized you. I'm sorry. You know what's funny? Let's do something funny. You want to see? Yeah. We're just going to put it here. Why it's so hard? I just wanted for you to be here. A bit, yeah. And swoop. Yes, nice. Exactly. Perfect. This is perfect. Look at the size. That just resizes a bit. Yeah. Now it looks realistic. Just kidding. Look at this. Look at this. So funny. An armored car just parking near those bicycles. These are big bicycles. That's funny. Now, not that this app was intended for this, but sometimes because this the app allows me to change the scale, I like to position it different and create some funny scenes with it. Again, this is just me. Maybe you also will enjoy it, but you have the option to resize it, rotate it, and create really cool scene. Take a picture of yourself with it, a selfie, or another person, a friend with it. and create some really cool stuff and share with others. Actually, there's easier an option to share a photo with others built inside the app itself. Never mind, it's just a tight place, so it's easy to see like this. But just if you want to see the actual size, this is the actual size. Now the actual size button allows you to see the car, just tap and see the car in actual size, and this is very important. And many apps, I tried many apps, car simulation apps, car showroom apps, don't have this one. Really, you don't know this. Sometimes they do this by default, you don't have the option to change it. But when you give the option to scale down, up and down, it's good to give the user the option to just press a button instead of trying to just resize and trying to imagine how it is like in real life size. Here you can see that you can read information about each of the available cars in the app. Some nice information there, so you can just read and learn more about this particular car. Colors! Now you're talking, my friend. Now you're talking. Let's colors. Just some features. Oh, it's highlighted. Oh, nice. But what about the text over there? Oh no, what have you done? Alright, so there are several other options. Here you can actually observe some of the highlighted areas and read more about them, but the text, this was just horrible. It's just a line in front of the car, and of course this is a bad design because it needs to be in a way that faces the user the entire time. Or you mean overlaid without, not in augmented reality. If you do it in augmented reality, of course you need to design this better, so it always faces the user. It's very easy to see and very clear and very readable. Yeah, so in this case this was bad and something that I want to see changed. I need to press again for the colors. It looks like it looks like colors from a video game. Honest, I'm serious. Please come closer. But why everything is active? Features. Oh, we need to close it. Thank you for entering the frame. You just ruined the illusion. All right. Oh, now it looks better because this other one was active, so you can really see. Yeah, but those colors are kind of funny, but camouflage colors. All right. Yeah, not many choices here. So the black one, which I think is the coolest one, but it's also kind of the most boring one. What? Rotate. Although it looks nice. You want to see its real size, I know. So let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, and go. Woo, big. Just blocking the street. We can't go. This is a game. This is real life first-person shooter game. When we are blocking, we need to protect the area. And soon many players are gonna come and try to hold this area and we're gonna shoot them. You know, and we're gonna get into the car. And no, actually, we're not getting into the car because we can't drive it just here. So there's also the gallery, which is nice. It allows you to see real images of the cars themselves. Really nice photos, professional photos. As you can see, these are the cars. This is inside. As I told you, it looks better in real life, of course. Less detailed, much less detailed in the app, in my format I've seen. Yeah, so this is nice to have this. Now the other thing that I did is went to an open road and just place it in the road because I wanted to see how it looks in a big open area, not a little you know, tight alley. So that's what I did, and it turned out to be really big because I've chosen a really big car. This was insane. It's like height of a building. It's insane. It's like a building. That's how big this car is. It's insane. It's insanely huge. Yeah, I'm just resized it a bit, but let's put it there. Actual size, you see, it's huge. It's like a building. It's actually like a building. All right, not a building, a little house. But I mean, I was just blown away how big it is because I didn't expect something, you know, a car, even an armored car, to be that big. Now I deliberately put it on the road itself because I wanted you to see how the car compares to regular cars in the street you know, in terms of size. And as you can see, it's really big. Even the smallest one is quite big compared to the other cars. So I'm blocking the street now. You see, this is imagine a game like this and shooting, and you can actually hide behind the cars, and you have virtual air critic, please stop. You just position a car in the middle of the street and you tell people to play a game? Absolutely not, guys. Do not do this at home. This is of course in the street itself. If we play a game, we don't play it on the road itself.
So small. It looks big, but it's very small. It's an illusion. It's an illusion.
So this is it. This is INKAS Armored by INKAS Armored Vehicle Manufacturing. If you like this app, you can download it, go and download it for free from Google Play and try it out. I think the one thing that would be nice to see the measurements. There was an option for that, but overall for me it was a fun app to use. Of course, some people will find it more useful than I did. For me, it was more like, you know, an entertaining experience, seeing, being in front of large armored vehicles in the very first time in augmented reality. This is it. Thanks for watching. I see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.